You ready?
Yeah.
Fork! Who just leaves their fork there?
The fork is wrong with them.
All right, guys, we are super excited to be out here at the Fremont Skate Park, where Freddie was born.
No.
We are actually in the Saharan desert.
Yeah.
Look at it, he's so trendy today. He has his Trends hat on and his Trendier Things
You know, they
t-shirt.
actually moved Fremont Skate Park to Arizona.
It's true, because it's like 63 degrees and these guys are like, we're dying! All right, well, we're here with another episode of You Made It. We're gonna skate it, and I'm really, really, really excited for this one because the box says fragile.
Oh, it's a box inside a box.
A
Dude.
box?
They were
Within a
prepared.
box.
Oh!
You gotta watch yourself, Dave.
Oh.
Come on.
Man, you're not blindfolded anymore. You have no excuse.
Prepared for anything. Brainy bricks. Oh yeah. We got something going down.
Your box opening skills are unmatched.
They are unmatched,
Are there
unparalleled.
clothes?
Oh, I called dibs on the shirt. I'll Rochambeau you for it. Oh, I want that. Okay, I'll take that. I'll
Street.
take that.
Oh, sick. It's a Batman Lego keychain set.
What is that?
That's a zombie.
Wow.
Yeah, this is Carlos after the Braille drop.
If you guys think we should make some videos with a little skateboarder,
Dead Carlos.
stop motion zombie skateboarder, leave it in the comments below. Leave it in the comments below. Use the bricks. My gosh, that is really sick.
Let me see.
As always, play well. Brainy Bricks. $10 Jamba Juice gift card.
Oh, we can actually give that away as a reward for something today.
Yeah, to me.
Hardware and
Hardware.
everything.
Oh yeah.
That's so sick.
All right, this is really dope. Dear Braille team, my name is Russell, but in the LEGO community, I am known as Brainy Bricks. I run a LEGO-centric social media page on with my 5-year-old daughter, who we affectionately call Cutie Bricks. That is so cute. I am also the current world record holder for the longest distance walked on LEGO barefoot. What in the world? This guy's a pure legend. We beat out Dude Perfect and Lego with a distance of 2,737 feet. Yeah, no thanks. While breaking the world record, we decided to start a non-profit foundation that will help get Lego sets in the hands of hospitalized children in the US. Absolutely incredible.
I was gonna guess that they started a foundation to give people shoes.
Look at how beautiful
Wow.
this is.
Batman!
So actually incredible.
Wow.
After seeing this previous Lego decks, I was
Batman
left
versus
wanting, although the second one was pretty dope. Both of them used illegal building techniques.
What does that even mean?
In the world? Arrest those people! Illegal building techniques like cutting, gluing, and bending of Lego pieces, so I challenged myself to go all out. 40 plus hours of designing, building, and $145 worth of Lego later, we came up with this.
Is it? Look at how many
That Fetty
pies
can't
it
keep
is.
his hands off of. I went to 17th Street Surf Shop to help me get correct measurements. This is as close as we can get with Lego bricks. Hold it up to another board and you will see what I mean. The curve is, as you can see, built out of brick as well. All right, give me another board and let's see what we can see here. I feel like that's gonna break just like instantaneous.
Look at that concave though.
He is true. He is as close as you can get. Although I've been learning a lot about Lego recently, and I learned that there are such things as master builders. Could it be possible that the master builder could make something? My biggest goal was fusing this sculpture within the standards that Lego has set. I guess those standards are like no gluing, no cutting, etc. Lego master builders use a special chemical to fuse the plastic together when they build large statues. What in the poosh? After speaking with a few contacts I was given privilege to the special concoction. What in the world? It is highly dangerous to use if the area is not professionally ventilated. Which I found out the hard way, LOL, but we did it. I am proud of the way it looks. I am worried that it won't last very long. I know you 2-bolt your trucks, but I suggest 4 for stability. I am super excited of seeing this thing explode in slow motion though. Also in the box are 1, bolts for the board slightly thicker than the usual, decals for the surf shop, Lego Skateboard Zombie, one of my custom Lego ID holders, and lanyards. You can buy these on the website. All proceeds go to helping us start our foundation. Super, super, super rad. Starting the foundation to give kids Lego sets, I love it. A Jamba Juice $10 gift card, thank you very much. Figure out some way to battle for it on camera. I have so many Jamba Juice bets, but never an actual follow-through.
Braille Army follows through.
As always, play well. Russell, aka Brainy Bricks, brainybricksnation.com/foundation. We will definitely put that link in the description below, and you guys can go and donate to Brainy Bricks Foundation and help get Lego sets in the hands of needy kids. We have started a GoFundMe to help us make the Brainy Bricks Foundation come to life. I will send a link via email. If you could share that, that would be awesome. I have another package I'll be sending you in a few months with a fun little challenge. Sick, we love it, we love it, we love it. So who out there knows how to make stop motion with Legos? Leave it in the comments below, and we love you. I guess we're at the spot where we're gonna hardware this up. It's actually incredible. Oh, got him! I don't want it to break. I want to have it forever.
Should have sent us 2 of them.
We're so needy here at Braille.
Spend another 40 hours making us one of these.
40 hours and $140. First thing, Carlos, should have sent us another one. We'll make one. Right, Daniel? Yeah. I'm onto something here. I think that what we actually need for these things is a squishy riser pad. They used to make these ones that I used to skate. I think Shorty's made them.
Oh, it says fork.
Oh, I see.
Oh, wow. Fetty's really onto something. Get that nose grind.
Wow.
So beautiful. I need to like take 28 pictures with this. Oh, it's scary. It's so scary. Oh no! I'm actually really scared that it is going to legitimately break though.
Don't break it in 3 seconds.
I'm not gonna break it. We're just gonna go around and just
break it.
No! Hey, nice board. Here's the deal. We're going as light as we can.
Bless you.
Oh jeez.
I'm allergic.
Oh no! All I did was stand on it, it's fully bending. Okay. Okay, it's not so bad. You see how it's bending in the middle? What the hell is that, Aaron? It's a Lego board! What's up, bro? So far, I literally shredded the entire park, did 12 tricks, hit the handrail. So far, it's working really well.
Instead of kickflip off, we should do drop-in off.
Drop-in off?
Yeah. Compared to the other Lego boards, what do you think?
I can't tell yet because we haven't tried to pop or do anything, but compared to the other Lego boards, it's definitely master builder status.
Oh yeah.
For sure. Smallest quarter pipe in the park.
Well,
you gonna do the bigger
why
one?
don't you just drop it in the pool, Carlos?
We'll test it on the small one. If it holds up, I'll try the big one.
I don't think this will hold up.
I think you just have to go very bold.
I don't want to do it. I don't know what's more dangerous, falling on glass or falling on Legos.
Oh, Legos will mess you up, man.
Confidence, okay? We got this.
Luckily, I used Builder Pro.
Dang it. This is the end of the video. That's all we got. Goodbye, Lego. I love you. I love you, Lego board.
Fork.
Fork it. What?
Oh!
What?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I broke the concave.
There you go.
Well, you won the dropping off. Well done.
Oh, you got to do it
What?
too.
No!
If you don't get
No,
up there
I'm
right
kickflip
now,
off. Kickflip
no,
off.
you're doing it. Aaron, 40 hours, $140. Do this for the man.
Oh yeah. All right, kickflip off. Super easy. I wasn't fearing for my life the entire go. Just make sure it's nice and solid.
Carlos has been breaking stuff as of late.
I'll be gentle.
Oh wow.
The acoustics of this warehouse is very strange. Skate
You know what I
park.
want to do is do like a carver on the bowl. That'd be tight.
Do you want it before we kickflip off?
Yeah.
Just don't break it.
The way that the sun reflects off of the board and goes onto your face is beautiful.
I'm sorry you had to see my face.
Me too.
He's gonna die. He's dead. Oh! What was that?
Just kind of flex on me. All right, we're good. We're good.
You lost some concave.
Dude, that was gnarly.
You guys want to check it out? Give me your instant thoughts, your reactions.
I'm about to find some and put it on my skates.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the whole thing is only Legos?
Yeah.
Wow. Jeez,
Well,
Lego.
keep killing it.
Yeah.
To be honest, I didn't even like seeing that. Here, do it again, do it again.
I'm just constantly at the threat of losing my life and limb on every video we make. You ready, Troy?
Yeah, okay, ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
You can follow me on Instagram to see that shot.
Fetty, where are you going?
Can I kickflip it?
Okay, Fetty, let's go. I'm not ready. Oh, this is very important. I need to go first.
Wait.
Oh no. Okay.
Oh, wait, I'm not ready. Okay, now you're good.
God. Okay.
Yes!
Ah, always, dude.
A lot's on the line.
Yes! Woo! You really get one try on this, and that's what you should get. And if you land it, you are the greatest skateboarder in the history of the world.
Or this is the kickflip challenge to become a master builder.
That's true. You ready?
Yeah.
I told you, one try! How did that happen? How did it flip? Go ahead and see how hard. That was the best trick I've ever done in all of skateboard history ever. First try!
I'm gonna try and pop it like a man though.
Pop it like a man? You saw that pop. Full tornado roll on the ground.
I broke a ply.
So since this was kickflip first try, this is the best Lego board we've ever had.
Literally the best Lego board we've ever had.
Wow, Carlos!
Wow!
That was really good. Is it true you can no slide everything?
I don't know. That's what the myths say.
That's what the myths say? This is actually the coolest thing ever because every time a piece falls off, you just put it back on.
Yeah.
We're good. We're good.
It's okay.
Oh no! If you guys think Fetty breaks everything, leave it in the comments below. No. Clearly he does. Who's gonna push him?
Dang it.
Second try.
Yep.
If you land this, Fetty, 10 jump. Wow.
Gotta make the best of it.
We brought duct tape?
Yes, we did.
This was going to be no tape.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed with this thing. It held up really well.
You know, I understand you guys want to fix this, but sometimes you just gotta let go.
This skateboard really reminds me of your basketball brick.
I'm just gonna block that out.
I know we're breaking the rules of Lego, but sorry.
All right, let's get it. Okay, we're on to something.
It's gonna happen.
I know it'll make him do it. Watch this. Fetty, you can't no slide anything. You don't even no slide. You can't no slide. It cannot be done. It's actually impossible. If you landed it right here, I wouldn't give you $100. You don't even get a Jumbo Juice $10 gift card if you land it right here. No big deal. $100 right here. You gotta slide, land, and roll away.
Deal.
He's a little nervous, so I can tell. His hands are shaking.
Oh my God.
Yes!
Because it wasn't Lance.
Oh! Oh my, what? Oh wow, oh wow. I knew you had it the whole time, Fetty. I knew you had it in you. You can no slide anything. You're the best no slider ever. Oh, Carlos breaks everything.
Landed it.
Well done on the world's best no slide on a Lego skateboard. Here you go. That's $10 Jumbo Juice.
Wow, thank you.
You're welcome. I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are absolutely incredible. We hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, click that little bell. That's gonna turn your notifications on, and then you will get notified when we make new videos. We have a lot of rad, incredible videos just like this one coming up. A huge thanks to Brainy Bricks for sending us this incredible board. They went all out on this, and it was absolutely the best Lego skateboard we have skated to date. So go ahead and check out their nonprofit organization. The link will be in the description below. It's really incredible what they're doing, so show some love and support. You guys, again, are the absolute best. We could not do what we do without you. So please give us a like, subscribe, leave that comment below. If you want to see our earlier Lego skateboard, click right here. Boom, you will love that video. It was an absolute blast, as well as this one right here, which takes you to brailleskateboarding.com, because you guys are going to learn how to skateboard skateboard because you are the absolute best and you will have a blast just like we do. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.